Germans make really funny sounds sometimes. Actually, every language has this, right? Because the official term for this is interjections, and it's like a piece of a sound that you make to express something. So in this video, we're going to explore some of the most popular German sounds Germans make. Hey, I'm Jen.
And I'm Yvonne.
And we're from simplegermany.com, where we help expats settle into life in Germany more smoothly. So I have here a list or post-its that I'm going to ask Yvonne what it is. Are you ready?
Yes.
So, when a German says, I told you so, or you should have seen that coming.
Tja.
Tja. T-J-A. Next one, which for me, it actually means garlic. But anyways, another way of saying yes.
Ayo.
We also read that in other regions, it can also be.
Hayo.
Yeah, and that's when you agree, right?
Yeah, it's another word. It's like it's a comfortable yes. Hayo.
Hayo. Relaxed yes. Relaxed yes. Okay, so what do you put at the end of the sentence, and then you, it's like for asking for confirmation?
Ne?
Ne?
Du nimmst noch ein Bierchen. Ne?
You take another beer, right? I really like that one, actually. I think.
However, here we also have to say, in other regions, the ne gets replaced with a gel.
True.
Like, for example, like in the Heidelberg region, or va, like in the Berlin region.
Which is super interesting because, at least in Guatemala, we use the word va as well for the same purpose.
Yeah, except that you spell it with a V, like V-A,
Yeah.
and in Berlin it's more with a W-A.
That would be wa for us.
So it's like a va.
Okay.
Yeah. So any, like this little word at the end of the sentence, asking for
Confirmation.
confirmation. Genau.
So,
Genau.
So what do Germans say to agree or disagree, and then and also indicating that they have something else to add?
Naja.
Yeah, so if you're in a meeting, right, and someone says something?
Naja, I disagree, or I agree partially, and I would like to add this and this and this.
Yeah.
Naja.
So there you go. If someone says naya when you're saying something, you know what's coming. Okay, for surprise.
Oha.
Sounds like aloha.
Oha.
Ooh, this is my favorite one. So when a German does not understand what you're saying, and it's your fault.
Heh.
That is not really the official meaning of it, but we were talking with a friend once because like is so
It's
rude.
very rude. It's don't use it with someone you don't know very closely. It's official. It's the same as in another language. It's like pardon, or I mean like huh. I guess
Or
it's
like huh, maybe.
like huh.
Yeah.
The official word in German to if you don't understand, you would say wie bitte.
Yeah.
Also don't say was, it's just as impolite. But hä is the rudest you can go, and it implies that it's the fault of the other person, because they didn't express it properly.
Oh, I love this one. Huh?
Hä?
Okay. Ooh, what does a German say when they haven't seen you for a long time? And it's like, what's up?
Na?
Nah. So, how's it going?
Na?
Yeah.
Alles
Oh.
klar?
Oh, what does a German say when they don't want to do something?
Och nö.
Oh, no. Oh, please
Och
don't.
nö.
Yeah. Another funny one. So how does a German express that they've been hurt and complain directly afterwards?
Aua!
Because it's funny, right? Because in other languages obviously have the ouch, ow, or whatever, but the ow, ah at the end makes it
We
more...
complain about the pain immediately
Yeah,
in
that's
that
what we
moment.
said.
Yeah.
That's our theory anyways. It's not an official one, obviously, so don't get offended. Ooh, what do Germans say when they've done something efficiently and it's done?
Zack. Done.
And then, super funny, and when you say...
Wait. You say zack like tons of times.
True, actually, I'm guilty of that because it's a very catchy phrase. Yeah. I'm even going to put some footage here of videos where I actually say zack. Zack, zack. So you can laugh along with it.
Zack.
And on the other hand, how do Germans say hurry up?
Zack, zack, zack.
So 3 times zack. And one of the most versatile German words.
Ach.
Why is it so versatile?
Because it can mean anything and everything. It really depends on the intonation. I just did like a disappointed ach, but it can also be like ach so.
Oh, surprise.
Like when I understand something, a little bit with surprise. It can also be like ach du grüne Neune.
Oh, you green nines. Which, by the way, it's another German idiom, and we have a video on that. So if you do want to check that out, make sure to hit that card that's coming up here.
So that is more like if something went wrong and you emphasize your emotion and the empathy. There you go. It's like ach du Jemine.
Anyway, so it's a very versatile word that you will hear it a lot in German.
Ach.
So that comes to the conclusion of our list of the funny things Germans say.
Oppa! We're done.
Cool. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. If you have any funny sayings that you say also in your region, please hit them write them in the comments. We love reading the comments and learning about German culture. So that was it for today.
That was fast.
That was fast. Until next time.
Tschüss.